Exploring the phrase, astronaut. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're embarking on a space journey to understand the meaning and usage of the word astronaut. So buckle up, and let's blast off into this exploration. An astronaut is a person who is trained to travel, work, and sometimes live in space. Astronauts might fly in space shuttles, live in space stations, or even walk on the moon. It's one of the few professions where you literally go out of this world. The word astronaut has its roots in the Greek language. Astro means star. Naut comes from nautes, which means sailor. So, an astronaut is essentially a star sailor, or sailor of the stars. This beautifully captures the essence of their job, as they sail through space, exploring the vast universe. Understanding a word also involves knowing how to use it in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. The astronaut floated in zero gravity inside the space shuttle. 2. Children often dream of becoming astronauts and exploring space. 3. The astronauts aboard the International Space Station conducted important experiments. Did you know that Russia has their own word for astronaut? They call them cosmonauts. Similarly, China refers to their space travelers as taikonauts. Each word has its own cultural and linguistic background. We've traveled through space and time to understand the word astronaut. I hope this journey has enriched your vocabulary and understanding of the English language. Remember, every word has a story, and today, we discovered the story of the astronaut. Keep learning, and until next time, stay curious.